this review, we'll be discussing in detail about the best smartest self-cleaning pet litter box available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best smartest self-cleaning pet litter box, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 6 Best Smartest Self-Cleaning Pet Litter Box. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 6. CatGenie A.I Self-Washing Cat Box. Features are washable granules eliminate litter purchase once and for all. It can handle multi-cat use. It is a smart litter box that gives you useful readings and information. You can never need to empty a waste receptacle or change the filter. The custom granules come with the litter box. You don't need to purchase them separately. Number 5. PetSafe Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box. Features are suitable for multi-cat use, compatible with all types of hard clumping litter, has carbon zero-like filtering for odor control, automatic waste collection, easy to set up, has a relatively quiet motor. It has a safety mechanism to stop activity when it senses your cat. Reasonably priced. Number 4. Omega Paw Elite Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Features are very large and spacious, suitable for big breeds over 15 lbs, suitable for multi-cat use, compatible with any kind of hard clumping litter. Cats can adjust to it easily. It doesn't make any noise like automated litter boxes. It isn't prone to breaking down as automated litter boxes are. Pocket friendly. Number 3. LitterMaid Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Features are: they are compatible with any hard clumping litter. They are specific for multi-cat use. They are very large. They can be used by cats over 15 lbs. They come with a special scoop that works as a rake cleaner. They have battery backup. Both are reasonably priced. Number 2. PetSafe ScoopFree Smart Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Features are: it is a smart litter box that gives you useful readings and information. Reasonably priced for a smart litter box. It has a button to activate ranking manually. Its custom litter is of good quality. The litter lasts a long time. It has efficient odor control because the waste is kept in a closed space. Number 1. PetSafe ScoopFree Original Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Boxes. Features are: it has efficient odor control because the waste is kept in a closed space. Its custom litter is of good quality. The rake pauses automatically when a cat enters the litter box. Very straightforward to use. Suitable for multi-cat use. The litter lasts a long time. Reasonably priced.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.